Yeah. So in the last class that we were discussed regarding the offerings, right? Okay. So as earlier we discussed in the last class we discussed regarding offerings. Okay. So now these all are the offerings I told you, like workforce deployment and workforce development and compensation management. These all are the three offerings that we will use for the co HCM related tasks. So in future, we are going to perform the HCM related tasks, right? So we use only these three offerings only. So I explained you how to enable those offerings, okay, and everything. Now, if you want to search it from here, okay, you are able to get these options right over here. But from here, if you want to search it from here, see, in this offering, it is not available. Okay, so if you are coming to next search, this one called as global search. Irrespective of offering, suppose example, just catch my point very clearly. I want to create a new plan or something, anything related to options. You are not able to search it over here under this offering. Whatever you are searching, the tasks, these all are related to this offering only. If you want to search for offering, if you want to search for absence, then you have to choose correct to offering over here. Then only you can search. Okay. Raghu, I don't know what all are the offerings are enabled in my organization. Okay. So over here, you are having all this access in your, when you are into the organization, you won't have any access related to this very higher level people only will have the access to this action button and this offering choosing. I don't want to choose, I don't want to search any task by choosing the offering. I want to go globally. Like, see, if I am over here, I'm choosing another offering. Now you are not able to search over here, right? You are not able to search over here. Clear. This is workforce development. Then keep the same offering and go for the global search. In the global search, search with options. See, you're getting everything right. So over here, this one we will call it as global search of tasks and business objects. Clear? See. Now just click on done. Raghu, why you explained this offerings and everything and all? What is the use of this one? Okay, I will explain. We have a concept called implementation of projects. Okay, I will explain it to you. Manage, click on manage implementation of projects. Click on plus. Okay, over here, you can create a project. Okay, what is a project? Okay, same thing will become as a code also. Okay, this assign it to me, and the start date of this project is I'm giving any one date. By default, it will take system date. This project is going to start by January 1st. And what is the finish date? We don't have any clarity. Okay, that's why I didn't give in anything, as it's not a mandatory thing. Just click on next. Okay. Now, here you are having, see, you can choose the offerings over here. Okay. Suppose example, my implementation is only related to options. Then you can choose only the offerings, only the, which one? Offering like workforce develop deployment. Okay. In this project, I'm going to do only related to options related things. Then choose this one. If you choose this one, this offering, you will get all these subtasks, task list also. Payroll related offering, payroll related things also you can choose. Everything that you can choose if you are choosing this one. Okay. And again, I'm choosing this one also. And again, I'm choosing this one. After choosing all these things, okay, see over here. Save and open the project. I'm just saving and opening the project. It's taking some time. Okay. See over here, the project is created with the offerings, all these things. Okay. So now come here. Okay. Calm down. Mhm. Okay. So I want to, I'm taking this task, which one? Manage value sets. Okay. I'm just opening another one also. See, just click on this one. What happens over here? It is navigating you to this page. Am I right or not? Okay. So now I'm just going from setup and maintenance, global search, click on this one. Same page that I reached here and here also. Okay. Here it is related to manage value sets for global resources. Here it's a global one, not only related to the this one. Okay. So you can search like manage value set under the manage value set. After over here, you have to search over here like global related. So now my question is click on cancel. Click on cancel. Hope you understood. From here also, we can go to the task directly like this. Okay. From the global search also, we can move to the same task. Okay. So now, see over here, what we can do like authorized roles. Okay. See, here you can see what all are the roles will provide the access to this one and choose this one. Okay. And click on assign tasks, add users. This is a person for this person. Come down. Okay. Apply and done. I'm given permission. Okay. Okay. This person. Save and close. Okay. Assignment permission. Okay. Click on done. What I want to say. Anything can clear. Again. Edit the status. Now the status is not started over here. See. Come here. Edit the status. You can keep it as in progress. And it will become as an in progress. If you want to give more permission to any some other peoples, then you can click on over here. You can even remove also, remove this task also, and you can select and add this recorder no need. Okay. Due date I'm giving. By this date, that employee should complete this one. Okay. We can remove all these things also, and you can add also. Just save and close. See, not only from here, here also you can do whatever the task that we are performing from here, we can perform it from here also. Just click on place. From here, you can choose more offerings. See, over here, offerings are there, or tasks are any task list or anything. Do any blank search, and you can add those things also. Apply and add. Done. Okay. See, once what you have done over here, Raghu. See what I have done in the sense, I created one implementation project. I choose some offerings, what all are required to in order to do some development. And from here, you can navigate to everything. And you are the owner for this project. You can assign some of the tasks to some other people, and you can know what is the status of that one. Okay. And you can edit and assign the task and everything and all. So these all are the things that you can perform. How many of you understood? Now you can ask questions. Hello.
If we want to
Hmm.
assign the multiple users, then how can we assign?
Akhil, you can speak loudly.
If we want to assign multiple users, then how can we achieve that?
I can assign, right? Here you can assign.
No, one not one by one. If it is 100 people is there, it's not a
No, not like that, not like that. So you for one task you want to assign multiple users.
yes.
Yeah, you can, but you have to go here and you have to assign. There is no another alternative to assign.
Okay.
Got it? Any doubt? Clear? So now just click on done and click on done. Okay. Now click on manage configuration projects. One second. seems it is not saved. One second. In the manage export and import, it should come actually. One second. Copy the manage configuration packages. Mhm. So prior to that one, we have to log this project. One second. Mm. It should come over here actually. Manage input and output. Okay. So yeah. So actual expectation is like whatever the project that we have created, right? Manage configuration projects. Packages. It's taking some time to come over here. Mhm. It came correctly only. No? Okay. Now let me explain. Actually, whatever the project that we are created over here, it should come over here in order to export and import. Okay. So it is taking some time to come over here. I will explain with the project which is already existing over here. Let me go here. One second. Purge. This second. See. Here I want to explain. Actually, here, whatever we are created, it should come over here. That is the expected thing. Okay. Now I'm explaining you one requirement to you. See, my question over here is we have the environments like dev, test, pre-production, production. Am I right? Hello.
Yes, Raghu.
Yes. So in the production, end user and everyone will use this production. Pre-production, which clones are, it's an exact copy of production every 2 weeks or else every 10 days it will be cloned. Okay. And test environment every 3 months constant. Dev very rarely, 6 months once or 1 year, once in a year. So over here, what happens in the sense, if any requirement comes into the place, any requirement, like any change request, we call it as CHR, or some company they will call it as CR. Okay. If any change request comes into the place, development team will do the development in dev environment. Correct. And after doing the development, they will do unit test. Clear. Then after, they will migrate the solution into test environment. Okay. And we will offer the end user to our end user or a requester. Okay. Who is requested for this change request. We will offer them for the UAT. Once the UAT is completed, if you need very exact data or live data which is there in the production, then we will migrate it into the pre-port. Then we will offer this one, this UAT in the pre-port. If there is not such a case, we will do it mostly in the test environment only. Once you got the UAT sign up, we will migrate it into the production. Am I right or not? Hello?
Yes, Raghu.
Okay. So see, here my question is, you implemented something. For that implementation, you taken nearly 4 hours. Okay. 4 hours of time is required to do this one. So again, you are doing the same thing in the development you have done. Again, you are doing the same thing in the test. Again, it will take 4 hours. Whatever you have done in the test environment, again, you are doing it in the production. So it's a manual, right? So there's a chance of errors, right? Hello, clerical errors or else it's a time taking thing. Hello, yes or no?
Yes.
If is there any integration happens from the dev to test and test to production, it's a very good thing only, right? Hello. So now what happens in the sense, whatever we have done, suppose example, we have done this one. Whatever we have done, we will do the export. We will do the export. Whatever the tasks that we are doing from the global search, you can't export, sir. Whatever the task, you are doing it from the project. Over there, some tasks are there, right? From there, if you are doing, you can do it export. Just click on next. Okay, no need of any schedule. I'm just exporting this one. Okay. We started exporting. Okay, taking some time. Just you can download from here itself also. Or else download this one from here. Yeah. Maybe it's a permissions issue, yaar. Wait a second. Seems we got it, the export. Yeah, it's exported. Okay. So whatever the implementation that you have done under this project, it is exported. Then what you have to do, it is done in Dev 1, right? You have to go to the test environment. And over here, you can come and do the import. Some import is already running. It's a kind of very sensitive, sir. Just let me try this one. It supports or not. You can't import data from a configuration file that did not complete it successfully or still running. It is already still running, it seems. Once again. This is the environment so many people will use. Maybe See, some people are, it is in progress. See, some people are doing the thing. This is one, right? It is already imported on. It's in progress. I'm just exported now. Why it is getting imported? It's again, yeah. The system is working in this way. I clicked on export only, right?
Yeah, one time you have done the export, one time you have downloaded it directly.
Just it. I just downloaded. That's it. I'm not imported, right?
Not imported, but
Yeah.
one
Then why
time
it
you
is
have
taking as an
exported.
import? 1 second. It is not the expected thing. Maybe in the it is exporting, right? That's the reason it is not importing. Exporting is in progress, right? That's the reason it is not allowing us to import any data. Earlier, we used to do like export and import it at the same time. Might be export, it is happening, right? In progress. That's the reason it is not allowing us to do the import. But earlier, we used to do success. You can't import data from a configuration file that didn't complete it successfully. It's still running. Okay. Let me do from here. It is successful. I do one thing. Let me export that file and I will show it to you import how to do the import under. So still over here it is getting import only. So still it is in the progress only. Why I don't know. Now I got the point. It is in progress. Export is in progress. That's the reason it is not allowing us to do the any import kind of things. But the thing is, earlier we used to get this, what I can say, while it is in export, we are able to do the import also. Now the system, maybe a new version onwards, it is not allowing us. Okay, I will download that expo any file, or else I will show it to you in another environment. How to, what I can say, how to import the file. Uh, Hope you got the point, what I'm trying to explain. Any confusion? Hello.
Yeah,
Srinu, Akhil, Sai Kiran.
Yeah, Raghu. This is only for the only specific project, right?
Yeah, what I'm trying to explain over here is whenever you are doing any tasks, you have to do it in projects so
Okay.
that you can do import and export kind of things from one environment to another environment. If you are do projects only can migrate it to one environment to another environment like dev, test and pre-prod and production. Now, in the managing of the projects, suppose example, you created nearly 100 locations, same locations that you want to create in the production. Then again, you are doing the same manual. The manual work is not a suggested thing, right? So in that scenario, we will use these things. So when you will do all these things, Raghu, this one is very useful when you are doing a implementation of any project. Like for one country, I'm doing the implementation, like absence, total absence, total time and labor. In that scenario, it is very useful. Now, once you created the project, you have to close that project and you have to export that one. Then after you have to import into other module. Clear? So this export and import should done. Export should be from one environment, import should be in another environment. Now I'm able to export, but I'm not able to import. Why? Because export is under the process. Then now the system is not allowing us to do the import in the same environment. What you have to do in the sense, in another environment, okay, you have to log it into another environment where export is not happening. Over there, you have to do the import. Then it will ask for the file. It will ask for the file. Then you have to choose whatever is there in whatever is downloaded in your system. You have to choose that file so that it will be imported to your new environment. Got it? Hello.
Yeah, Raghu. Other environment in the sense is other instance you are saying?
Other instance, yeah. We
Okay.
call it as instance, sometimes environment, or sometimes what I can say system, new system also we will call. Okay. Any doubt? Srinu, hope you got the concept. System is not allowing to import as export is under the process. Akhil, Sai Kiran, hope you know this one. Srinu.
Yeah, Raghu,
Yes, sir.
will they will they merge like if we import it in another instance?
Yeah, it will allow. Yeah, it will merge with the existing one. Merge in the sense whatever the your question is whatever the project is there in the new environment to that project it will be merged. That is the question, right, Srinu?
Yeah, like because we are doing one project in one instance and importing that in another instance.
Correct.
So that's why I got
So
it.
we are importing to another environment in the sense whatever is there in the new environment, it will go and sit over there. It will be merged. Sai Kiran, you there?
Yes, Raghu, I understood.
You know this one, right? And Narinder,
Yes.
Mukesh, who is Mukesh? Hello.
Raghu, a previous one.
Sorry?
Raghu, yesterday I came to office, right?
Previous batch. Yeah.
Yeah.
Acha. Okay. Good. Carry on. So now let me share my screen. If once the export is completed, you just try to do the import. When you are doing the import, it will ask for the file which you already downloaded. Okay. Now, coming to our topics. Coming to our topics. Till now we discussed, right? Now, once the discussion is completed related to manage enterprise HCM information, we have to discuss legal entity. Legal entity. So now I'm going to the global search, manage legal entity. Click on this one. So see, over here you can able to create the legal entity, right? But have you observed over here? You have to create legal address over here. You should have a legal address in order to create a legal entity. Hello, what is mean by legal entity? First of all, let me explain. So everyone knows, and in the initial classes also I already explained, legal entity.
It is a legally registered company.
It's a simple way. It's a legally registered company. Legally registered in the sense, legally means it should follow all the jurisdictions comes under that country. Hello, am I right or not? So means it follows some jurisdictions and it has some PAN number and register number and everything and all. You can run the payroll from the legal entity. You can only run the payroll from the legal entity. Are you able to run the payroll? So see, suppose example, my question is, are you getting the salary if you are working under the Tata Group? Are you getting the salary from Tata Group or else TCS India or TCS if you are working in TCS space, Spain or Portugal? Are you getting the salary from directly from the enterprise? Hello? Or else from your where you are working on legal entity, on that same legal entity? Hope you got my question. Am I confusing you? No, right? My,
Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat that, Ravi?
my question is, are you getting the salary from your enterprise or else from your legal entity? Like, if you
Legal
suppose
entity.
legal entity, right?
Yes.
So legal entity is the one which handles your salary. So suppose
Yes,
example,
correct.
if you have two companies under same India only, you have two companies. One is in Hyderabad, one is in Bangalore. But you will get the salary if you are working under the Bangalore. You will get the salary from the Bangalore only, right? Okay, Infosys, your salary credited from Infosys Bangalore. This is a message that you will get or not?
Correct.
Yes. But you won't get Infosys. From Infosys only that you got the salary. No, right? So my question over here is what I want to. So my thing is what I want to give the clarity is you will get the salaries and everything. You will work under the legal entity. Okay, and the task or assignments assigned under the legal entities. Okay, and whatever the things that you are doing, everything. So you will be qualified, some of the benefits, some of the options, some of the payrolls based upon the legal entity that you are working. Hello, yes or not? Absences under one legal entity, some of the options. Some people will get more absences. Under another legal entity, some people will get different level of absences. Means absence balance, I'm saying. Am I right or not? You are working under India. Means same company you are working under India. Means related under India, your company is there. Suppose example, your company is there. Under India, this companies have nearly 8 legal entities. Means your organization is having nearly 8 registered companies in India. The people who all are working under one legal entity. Means this is from Bangalore. Another legal entity is Hyderabad. Those who all are working under the Bangalore, those who all are working under the Hyderabad, do they have the same level of absence balances or else differently? Hello. Did you got my question? Am I confusing you? No, right? Hello.
No, Raghu.
Not
Sorry?
understood about absence, Raghu.
What I'm trying to explain is you are having the absence balance, right, in your organization?
Yes.
Yes, good. Do you say like you are working in Hyderabad, and so you are working in Hyderabad in the sense under one legal entity that you are working. Same company, some people are working in Bangalore. Do they have the same amount of balances over there also? Or else differently?
No, same balances, Raghu.
How they will have the same balances? You just tell me. Based on the legal entity. So suppose example, this legal entity, you are saying that in Bangalore, you are saying same only. This person is from Los Angeles. This person, so the people who all are working under the Hyderabad and the people who all are working under the Los Angeles also, the people will have the same amount of absence balance.
No,
Why?
no. They have different scenarios.
That's what I'm saying now. So what I want to explain it over here? What I want to explain it over here is everything, whatever we are doing right now, whatever we are doing from here, see, come here, search for any employee, search for any employee. See, whatever I'm searching over here, you see, sir. If you know the person name, you can search it from over here. If you know the person number, this is employee number in the sense person number. You can search it for over here. If you know a national ID, you can search it. If you don't know anything that I just want to any keywords, then you can search it over here. If you click on this one and if you are searching, terminated employees also will come. Means inactive payroll status. What is this? What is mean by inactive payroll? We will discuss it later. Click on this one employee. See, you just observe over here. Whenever we are hiring an employee, only two things only we are capturing. Only two things. Only two things. Is what is the relation with this legal entity? I will explain what is the difference between legal employer and legal entity. Right now you understood, like we will, whenever we are hiring an employee, we will capture only two things. What is the relation with this legal entity? Under which legal entity that we are hiring? What is the relation with this legal entity? This country and all will come automatically. What is the relation with this legal entity? That is employee or else non-worker or contingent worker or anything. And second information is what he is going to do. What he is going to do under this legal entity as an employee. These two things only we will capture, sir. Understood? Hello? Got it?
Yes, Raghu.
Akhil, Nandakumar. Got it or not?
Yes,
These
Raghu.
two things only that we are going to capture. Hello? Now, just click on this one. Now, if I am going to make legal entity, it is asking for the legal address. So, in order to go prior to the legal entity, we have to create legal addresses. Okay, just to create any legal address, you can search over here related to country. If there is a 2 star marks, any one of this one is enough. Okay, so you can search like this, or else you can create a new one. Okay, for which one I'm choosing? UAE I'm choosing. Okay. Whenever you are choosing the UAE, over here it is changing, see. Okay. See. Now, address PO box, anything. Any number like that you build. Okay. Emirates. This Emirates I'm choosing. Time zone. You can choose. You need anything you can choose. Okay. Okay. Click on OK. Save and close. Click on done. Once you have done that one, go to the global search. Search for the manage legal entity. Okay. Now, just click on legal entity. See, over here, once you observe over here, sir, automatically it is coming as United States. I told you why it is coming United States automatically. Anyone can answer? Hello?
In legal address, we have given that.
2%, no. No. In legal address, no. Why it is coming as United States countries? We have defined it somewhere. Anyone can recall and say this one? Anyone can recall and say?
Is it in geography?
No, yeah. In the enterprise structure, enterprise information, we choose default country.
Correct. Yes.
Correct. So over there, we will choose default country and default start date. Do you remember or not?
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Yes.
yes, we remember.
Yeah.
But here we don't have option default hire date.
It will be nothing.
Yes, it will be in business unit. Yeah, I agree.
See, over here, country, if I'm choosing United States, see over here, identification jurisdiction is coming as United States federal tax, EIN and TIN, and place of registration. Okay. And if I am choosing United Arab Emirates, see over here, it will be changed. Got it? Over here, it is coming as social insurance, legal reporting unit registration number. TAN UN is vanished or not? Hello?
Yes, Rahul.
If I'm choosing Algeria, it is coming as CUIT. So what I am trying to explain over here, but these all are the things not getting any change. These all are things are not changing. Hello? Changing? See, what I am trying to explain it to you. What I am trying to explain it over here is, see, identification jurisdiction, it is coming as United Arab Emirates Social Insurance. Got it? So now you can choose whatever the address that we created, you can choose any one of this. This one only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we created. Choose this one. Okay. Now, time is not there. No time is there, sir. We have to, over here we have to discuss like legal employer and payroll stature unit. All these things that we have to explain. I will explain it to you tomorrow, in tomorrow class. Okay. Only 2 minutes time is there, 3 minutes is there. That's not sufficient to explain. Any doubts? Any doubts? Srinu, Akil, Sai, Mukesh, Nandakumar Reddy. Nandakumar, you just gone through previous videos so that you will understood something. Hope you gone through previous videos, Nandakumar. Hello, Nandakumar. You there? Okay, cool. Got it? Any doubts? Stop.